how to make text bigger on TikTok. First of all, let's go ahead to our app store and make sure that the TikTok app is fully updated to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile at the below right. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and to click on the three bars at the top right. Okay, and from there what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the settings and privacy. Okay, and from there what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until you find accessibility. Okay, and you're gonna find it in the content and display. Unfortunately for now I don't have that tool which allows me to make adjustments on making the text bigger or smaller. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.